Choosing the best action camera can be quite frustrating when you consider the many options available on the market. Well, in this video, we break down the top 5 best action cameras on the market this year based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. We'll be taking a look at products in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value, or are looking for the best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which action camera will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Number 5 on our list is GoPro Hero 7 Black. The GoPro Hero 7 Black is now a slightly outdated model, but it's still a remarkably powerful contender in the action camera wars, and one that deserves a second look due to its reduced price tag. The GoPro Hero 7 Black uses hyper-smooth video stabilization technology to predict and correct camera movement, but unfortunately it isn't available in 4K mode or 1080p at higher frame rates like 120 to 240. A tad disappointing, but not altogether surprising. For normal shooting, hyper-smooth is absolutely phenomenal. The camera also takes excellent 12 megapixel photos thanks to the inclusion of the Super Photo feature, which determines the best HDR settings depending on your environment. The quality of Super Photo shots is surprisingly well balanced and tempered compared to some HDR cameras which tend to go overboard on color saturation and contrast. The time warp video capture feature allows you to record super stabilized time-lapse videos. You also have the option to speed up the videos 30 times for longer events and activities, but it does so in a truly unique way by increasing the level of smoothness as you ramp up the speed setting. We are really impressed with the very rugged design of this particular action camera. It is waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters, making it great for everything from kayaking to whitewater rafting. Still, it isn't advisable to expose the Hero 7 Black to salt water. Voice control functionality of the Hero 7 Black will let you start and stop recording with a simple voice command, which is excellent depending on the placement of your camera or its connection to a selfie stick. Live streaming on Facebook and other social media platforms is an option as well. The streamed videos can be saved to your SD card in high resolution. The Hero 7 Black sports some incredible battery life for an action camera, lasting more than a few hours when shooting in time warp. The batteries are swappable as well, which is perfect for extended shooting sessions. Vloggers and cinematographers will appreciate the GoPro Hero 7 Black's incredible resiliency, functionality, and video quality. It's quite an affordable action camera to boot, making it an attractive option that we definitely recommend. If you're interested in updated pricing or going more in-depth on some features of any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. And if you're interested in staying up to date with the best products on the market, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 4 on our list is GoPro Hero5 Session, our choice for a great budget action camera. For action shooting on a budget, the GoPro Hero5 Session is more than capable of filling the need. Its durable design is waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters without any housing. It offers voice control, so you can perform a variety of tasks like stopping and start recording without using your hands. This action camera gives you the ability to record breathtaking 4K video and even take 10 megapixel photos in single, burst, and time-lapse modes. You also have the option of recording full HD 1080p video at 60 frames per second, but only about an hour and a half's worth before it needs a recharge. The main problem here is the lack of a swappable battery, meaning you'll have to recharge the Hero5 Session each time before you can record again. It does sport advanced video stabilization for smooth video without any motion blur or distortion. We really like the one-button recording function of the Hero5 Session. Simple, straightforward, and direct. The built-in Wi-Fi this device offers lets you automatically upload your photos and videos directly to the cloud for easy viewing, editing, and sharing. It also includes built-in GPS capabilities to geotag your photos for a little extra file info. Released in September of 2016, the Hero5 Session is priced at around $200, but it has more to offer than a lot of basic newer models. This is a great choice for recording all of your adrenaline-pumping adventures without breaking the bank. Number 3 on our list is DJI OSMO Action. The DJI OSMO Action is one of the better GoPro competitors, offering excellent video quality at a modest price point with a host of available options for any shooting condition. The camera features a dual-screen design that lets you capture all of the action with just the press of a button, which is perfect for shooting intended scenes or turning it around for a selfie video. The back screen offers a clear and sharp picture with excellent stabilization technology, even at high levels of movement thanks to complex software algorithms. The OSMO Action shoots 16:9 4K video at 60 FPS or 720p and 1080p at up to 240 FPS for excellent slow motion playback. It also takes 12 megapixel photos, quite respectable for an action camera of this caliber. We really like the durable design of this camera as well. It is waterproof up to 100 meters and resistant to temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius. It may not be enough to capture a day at the ski hill, but it's enough for milder winter conditions. The voice control feature allows you to perform a variety of actions when you are unable to use your hands. It also offers a custom mode which allows you to choose your exposure settings as well as store, list, and select frequently used shooting modes. The OSMO Action holds an advantage over the GoPro Hero5 Session with its swappable battery packs. We recommend disabling Wi-Fi for extra battery life if you're out shooting, but the 1300 mAh battery is sufficient enough to last a decent amount of time before requiring a recharge, even if it isn't meant for long recording stretches. We recommend the DJI OSMO Action for anyone looking for an action camera with excellent video quality and the ability to shoot longer thanks to a swappable battery system. Number 2 on our list is GoPro Hero 8 Black, our choice for the best overall action camera. The GoPro Hero 8 Black has a great looking streamlined design that lets you slide it right into your pockets with ease. You can swap mounts fast due to the folding fingers. This camera's unique level of durability is highly impressive. It uses a lens that is twice as impact resistant, so breakage is not a major concern. The Hypersmooth 2.0 technology the Hero 8 Black uses provides you with 3 levels of stabilization. You will be able to choose from on, high, and boost settings. You will be able to capture time-lapse videos for longer events with image stabilization, so there is no shaking to ruin your footage. The time warp feature automatically adjusts speed based on motion, lighting, and scene detection. There is also the live burst feature, which lets you record moments 1.5 seconds before and after your shot. You will be able to choose the best single frame to get a great looking photo or a short video to share with friends. The Hero 8 Black records 4K video at 60 FPS, but it's best suited to outdoor conditions where it can properly utilize its world-class image stabilization to better effect. Indoor shooting is spotty due to less consistent lighting conditions, and the tendency for the Hero 8 Black to fall prey to flickering from things like fluorescent lighting. It also shines thanks to the time warp and hypersmooth functions taken from the Hero 7. This, combined with better HDR and a 100 Mbps bitrate for 4K and 2.7K, makes the Hero 8 Black a winner in the video category. Photography is another matter, with quality that doesn't really match its video capabilities and is mostly comparable to mid-range smartphones. It's not a deal breaker, but the Hero 8 Black is clearly no photographer's first pick. It does shoot in RAW mode, however. Battery life is fairly consistent, topping out at 2 hours depending on what mode you're shooting in, and sports a 3-hour charge time. They are also swappable, which is a definite plus for those looking to shoot for extended periods of time. We were also happy with the built-in foldable hinges that can mount the camera to a wide assortment of existing GoPro mounts. This is a definite plus that saves a step in the buying process. GoPro has updated the interior forward-facing microphone for better pickup as well, which also handles voice commands. It's hard to top the GoPro Hero 8 Black in terms of sheer performance and functionality. The image stabilization alone is worth the price of purchase, to say nothing of the secondary features packed into this small action camera. If versatility and quality is what you're after, this is the camera we recommend. Number 1 on our list is Yi4K, our choice for a great budget action camera. For budget-conscious action shooters, we present the Yi4K, which offers excellent video quality and some fantastic functions that offset a few missing key features found in other cameras on this list. The Yi4K can record 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, 2.7K video at 60 frames per second, 1080p video at 120 frames per second, or 720p video at 240 frames per second. It also shoots 12 megapixel stills, but unfortunately no RAW mode is available for discerning photographers. One of the biggest advantages of the Yi4K is the 155-degree wide-angle lens, even if it can sometimes create a fisheye distortion effect. There are also a number of advanced features that you can play around with, including flexible settings for shutter, ISO, meter, EV, and WB. The camera features an intuitive 2.2-inch LCD touchscreen with a responsive design and 640 by 360 resolution. It also supports voice commands for multiple tasks such as stop-start recording. The touchscreen is made of Gorilla Glass, making it scratch and impact resistant. The built-in Bluetooth and high-speed 5 GHz Wi-Fi support makes it easy to upload and share your photos and videos quickly. It also offers a Yi camera app for smartphone pairing. The 1200 mAh battery that the Yi4K uses can be recharged and lasts for up to 120 minutes when recording video in 4K, which is surprisingly robust for such a demanding resolution. Priced at around $130, the Yi4K is a great budget action camera that features a top-notch image sensor and an easy-to-use design. It's an attractive premise for anyone looking to invest in their first action camera without sacrificing much in the way of quality. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you liked the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.